So now we are talking about the front-end job titles. That means that when you apply for a job in a front end, then what are the profiles are there and how to apply to that profile, and the specific profile has specific purpose. Okay, so let's check out what types of profiles are there. So first profile is front-end developer. So what they need is they need some HTML, CSS, DOM and JavaScript. So the four things they need in a front-end developer. So different companies have different job descriptions, but some companies states like front-end developer also needs frameworks of front-end, but some doesn't need frameworks, they just need HTML, CSS, JavaScript and DOM, like this. Also some companies states that front-end engineer, which is a JavaScript developer, means they must have a knowledge of JavaScript and only JavaScript. Or full stack developer means you have front-end as well as back-end technologies. And so this is something, front-end engineer is something which is very popular these days, and people are choosing full stack developer as a profile. So also a CSS or HTML developer profile is available, and you just need to know the HTML, CSS, and if you're good at it, you will get a pretty good job in the market. Then we have a front-end web designer. So if someone is hiring for a front-end web designer, that means we have HTML, CSS. They will just tell you about the job description which you have. Front-end UI means, let's say take an example. Okay, take an example of Facebook. Take an example of Gmail, right? So yeah, so let's say take an example of Angular, and in Angular the UI designer, what the UI designer does is UI designer designs that the logo should be in the top left corner, and the search is in top right corner. So and also the logo in the center. How the website looks is totally dependent on the UI designer, and the UI designer means the HTML and CSS designer. If I talk about the UI developer is something which controls your data. That means when you click on this button, get started, then what type of function it will do when you click on get started. Like say I am saying get started, then it is reloading some content and also showing some different data. So that thing is UI developer does. Okay, and the UI designer only designs how the web page looks like. Okay, so as we move on to the next things, we'll get a pretty good clear understanding of what a UI developer is and what a UI designer is. Okay, so this is also a profile. Also next profile is mobile front-end developer or mobile tablet front-end developer. That means let's say you have a website and you want the website to run in the mobile also or in the tablet. So you also need a developer who will convert that code to your mobile specific. So you can able to open your website into the mobile itself. So this is also a profile name. So front-end SEO expert. That means front-end SEO expert means what it does is it will rank your website. Okay, according to this SEO strategies, it ranks your website to the top, and that is a functionality which is being performed by the front-end SEO expert. Okay, and there are other profiles like front-end accessibility expert, front-end DevOps, front-end testing. That means you can test, and this profile is for testing. if someone loves testing and wants to test something, so front end testing is what we test everything on the front end, like the design, the functionality, all the things we can test if it is working or not. So it is saying that yeah, the developer has extensive experience of testing and managing softwares that involves unit testing. So this term of unit testing, function testing, or this user testing and A and B testing we can do later, but right now these are the job titles that you must know, because if you need to apply as a front-end developer, there are different types of profiles. Okay guys, so this is all about it. So thank you guys, thank you for watching, and hope to stay tuned and subscribe the channel and press the bell icons so that you will never miss any update from my side. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.